Your favorite YouTuber Bro Sayo back with another Brosters video. In today's video we'll play some matches with Sandy. We'll try to push it high on the ladder, and also we are gonna open up some boxes. Those boxes will be very valuable as I have a high chance of getting a new brawler. First let's have a look at my chances of getting a new brawler. I have to win 2 Heist matches, then I'll do the openings. So see, 5820 is my epic brawler chance. I have also a chance of getting a star power, but I don't need that because Sandy's best star power is healing winds. So we have already into a match. I need 2 wins. Can I get 2 in a row? That might be very cool. So let's try our best. I'm gonna want to get into the top 200 local with Sandy. I need to push more 100 trophies for that. That might be pretty cool if I do that, because I need to push trophies, guys. That's my main motto. Oh guys, I just came in front of that cold super because it was directly aiming towards the Heist. If I die, I get respawned. But if the Heist gets damaged, that would be very bad because a complete cold super on the Heist might be very deadly. Okay, 2 Nita bears fighting. That Barley just got the hell out of that Heist. We are gonna win this. I didn't did pretty much, but still we are up into winning this. Oof, oof, oof. Oh, I wasted my super. I thought I might have gotten. If I might have pulled that a bit back, then I might have done something out from that. I'm gonna go attacking. Who's want to defend? 1 hit and 2 hit. And yeah, it gets broke and we win the game. The first win for us. Oh, we all were power 10. See guys, I need just one more win and then I can open up a very few boxes. I have 2 mega boxes and 2 big boxes if I win this one, or else 1 big box. I will wait for the second one to come. See guys, all of us 3 have said yes for the play again. We need more 3 players. Anyone on the servers with 600 trophies to join it? Okay guys, so let's hop into a match. Yeah guys, so let's get some damage onto the Heist over there. Yeah guys, this was super cool. I got few hits out down there. 33% of Heist damage over there. Okay, we need to take care of that bull. That bull might be deadly. Yeah, the bull's killed. I was just getting off. Okay, let's go with attack. That Jesse. Oh, that Nita bear. It just got the hell out of their team. So guys, only 20% of their Heist left. I just have to defend this. Yeah guys, we won another match, 2 in a row. This was super cool. I'll do the box opening afterwards. First let's play again with them. Yeah guys, 3 of us have said okay. Only 1 player still in need. Okay, we have got that one. Let's play. So guys, let's hop into a match. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 1 hit on the tower. Heist. 2 hits. 3 hits. Yeah, this was super cool. Oh, oh, oh. Who's getting the damage on our side? Okay, that Brock. Yeah, I need to kill it. Oh, the walls in front of our east are completely devastated. So we need to do something. Now they might be pretty offensive on that. Okay guys, I died to that Rico. That Rico is playing too good. We need to say something. Okay, we need to get that Rico out. Okay, okay, kill that Poco. He has a super. This was bad. This is a bad news. We are gonna lose this. Still, let's try. Hope for the best. Okay, guys, I got killed, but I even killed that Brock over there. Do we still have a chance? I don't think. Still, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we lost the game still. In the end, we tried our best. If those walls might haven't been shot out, we might have won that. Still, I wanna play again with these guys. What? If you lose one match, you exit? This is not good. Let's see. 4 players found. Even I think I have to go for the opening now. After this match, even if I win this, I am leaving the room. Oh, we have a Jesse. This is good. We need to get rid of that El Primo. Yeah, we got that El Primo out. Our Jesse will take care of that Jesse. So we are ahead of them. One hit on the tower, 2 hits on the tower. Yeah, 2 hits. Oh. They have connected onto our tower. This is not good. He's got devastated out there. So let's see. Yeah, 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits. Super. My healing wins super. Star power is doing a lot of work out here. Yeah. We are about to win this. We just want. What? I can't believe this, guys. Shit, we just didn't even see to defend that. I thought we just won over there. Only 2 trophy increase. Okay, let's open up a few boxes. Okay, our first mega box. 5 items, nothing from this. Okay, the limited Gale pin. I'll use these power points on Gale. Yeah, 500 Gale power points. This is too good. I hope of getting the Gale gadget. Where is Gale? Yeah, let's upgrade it. Once, twice, thrice. Okay, only power 6. This is not good. Let's open this big box. 33 coins. Okay, it's blinking. Is it Sandy star power or a new brawler? It's Sandy star power, guys. This is not good. I needed a new brawler. This will wreck off my probability. Okay, let's see our probability. It's still 5.758. We can get something in this. 5 items, nothing from this. Okay, last hope. Nah, I don't think we are getting 57 points is much. Okay guys, we got Sandy's star power from this opening. Just let's have a look at that. Yeah, Sandstorm also now deals 100 damage, but I still go with healing wins. That is better one. So guys, I have also pushed some trophies out with Gale. Now Gale is power 7. We might have also had a chance to get its star power, but we didn't get that. Not the star power, that gadget, but we didn't get that. I need that gadget. Playing with that gadget might be super cool. I also pushed my El Primo on to rank 20. So guys, this is up for this video. So I will be back with another Brawl Stars video after some time. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. And also guys, about that black movement, please, Black Lives Matters. So please don't underestimate anyone. Everyone is a human. That is up for this video. I will come with another video on some topics after some time. till that time, bye.